to Measuring Perimeter and Area Ninja Edition with Big and Little Rascals team. Ganbate! Let's go! Hey Ninja! Do you know what is the perimeter of the square shape? Okay, first let's see what is perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of all length of all sides around a shape. Perimeter is one-dimensional because it only sums up all length of all sides of a shape until back to your starting point. Let's first investigate this square shape. This square shape has 4 equal lengths of sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In this square, each side length is 4 meters long. So what is the square's perimeter? Four plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 16 meters. Or if we use multiplication, then 4 sides of 4 meters equals to 4 multiplied by 4 meters equals to 16 meters. So the formula for square shape perimeter is 4 times side length. Hooray!